This is Yamaha WR125 and this is the first thing that I like about this motorcycle, that is does not look anything like a 125cc bike. It looks like a proper adventure motorcycle, tall, slim, sporty, ready for rough roads. And this is the interesting part, that this is beginner friendly. Most 125cc bikes are made only for commuting. They are practical but not always exciting. WR125 is different because Yamaha is giving new riders the feeling of a real dual sport motorcycle. This bike is mainly for young riders, students, beginners, and people who want a bike for city roads and light adventure and harness their skills until you get a chance to ride bigger power bikes. In Europe, 125cc bikes are very popular because this is license rules. So Yamaha has created a bike that fits that rules and still feels fun and serious. This is not a motorcycle for high speed. Of course, it is not. It is not made for highway racing. It is made for learning. The top speed of this motorcycle goes only to 60 km per hour. This is a bike that helps you build confidence, balance, braking, clutch control, gear shifting, and riding on the rough roads. This is a training motorcycle that will be available in most of the adventure training institutes out there around the world, because Yamaha has its presence around the world, every country in this world. WR125R has an adventure bike look, long suspension, off-road style wheelbase, ABS, LED lighting, modern Yamaha design, gear shifter indicator, fuel indicator, you name it. Every details that a young riders need to know about the motorcycle is given and shown in the digital dashboard. If you want the cheapest 125cc commuter, this may not be the bike for you. But if you want a stylish, lightweight, beginner-friendly motorcycle that can handle city, roads, rough road, and rough road, and of course the roads, WR125 is the bike just for you. So my final opinion about this motorcycle is, I'll not go about the details because it is Yamaha, it is Yamaha's VVA technology, and it is decent fuel efficient regarding for 125cc motorcycle. It gives 40 km per liter. It has a good ground clearance, a better suspension, and overall it is very designed and stylish and reliable. So not much to talk about that, but it is small. It has a real motorcycle character, and it is not about maximum speed at all. It is all about confidence, learning, and fun. So this is the gap that Yamaha has hit right on the bullseye. Of course, there were Honda 125cc motorcycles range before, but those were the motorcycles with just name of the motorcycle. It was simple, it was designed simply, it was kept simple because it was easy for to repair and maintenance and upgrade. But this is a hell of a technology combined and prepared and delivered in 125cc. Now this kind of technology is available in a 1000cc motorcycle, but Yamaha has given this to the young, learning, fun enthusiasts that are going to have their hands on real technology, in the real stuff, in the real meat out there. So thank you Yamaha for creating such things and making that blue collar badge sign away from what others are currently delivering, currently chasing in the market. So this is Yamaha WR125. Highly excited to see this on motorcycles, and young kids learn with this bike having the real ABS, real technology, real VVA, the real suspension, and the real big size tires that actually are in a real dirt bikes. So this is a real deal that Yamaha has presented. Really excited to see this kind of motorcycle coming up in 2026.